What's up guys, it's Dari here, and today I want to talk about what JavaScript actually is. JavaScript is one of the most popular and widely programming languages in 2020, and it is used to create and control dynamic website content. So whenever you are browsing through the internet and you see anything that moves, refreshes automatically, just know that that is JavaScript. Even when you're on YouTube, if you scroll down on this video, you can see two thumbs, a thumb up and a thumb down. Whenever you click on the thumb up, which I do recommend you to do, you can see that the color changes because the button is clicked. This is also done with JavaScript, so don't forget to leave this video a like. Whenever you are scrolling through your Facebook or Instagram feed and you want to refresh that feed, well, that's all done with JavaScript. If you are searching for the best programming languages to learn or the best salaries in programming, you will always see that JavaScript will be in the top 5, if not the top 3. And this obviously does not go unnoticed, since the average JavaScript developer salary in the United States stands at $78,000 a year. And to make it even better, most people think that JavaScript is used only for the front end of a website, just to make it more interactive. But well, that's wrong, because JavaScript is everywhere. And with everywhere, I mean in your front and your back end. So what can you do with JavaScript? Like I said before, for the front-end developers, JavaScript is used to make web pages dynamic. Think about validating a contact form or a login form to give users feed forward without updating the entire web page. For a very long time, JavaScript was actually only used for the front end, but those days are gone since you can actually use it for the back end as well. For the back-end developers, there is a type in JavaScript called Node.js, which is an easy framework that allows a developer to handle data updates from the front end and build a scalable network application able to process many user requests. Now that you know that you can use JavaScript for your front and back end, you obviously can build lots of things with JavaScript that we couldn't do before. You have the ability to build client-side applications. You can build server-side web applications with Node.js. You can build flexible presentations. So instead of using a PowerPoint presentation, you can build your own with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You could also build games. So how do you add JavaScript to a website? And this may sound more difficult than it actually is, but if you are familiar with using HTML and CSS, and you only need to set the type equal to text/JavaScript. This was it for this video about what JavaScript actually is. I hope that I gave you a clear overview of what you could do with JavaScript. If you do enjoy my videos and you want to see more, leave this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button.